This is no 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 0, Mamelodi Sundowns 0. My brother, how's it?
Hey, Shosho Bodingo, no sharp man.
Sharp man.
Yeah, on the game of today, as Kaizer Chiefs supporters, we are happy. All of us, you can see that in the stadium, we are happy, and we are happy again with the sold out. It meet during the weeknight Wednesday today, but people are they are full here at the stadium. Understand? So what I want to say, as a Kaizer Chiefs social media influencer, we must come to the people. No matter what team do bad, do good, we must come to the people and address the people. Don't say today we play draw. We must not talk to our people. Remember, we are 6 million base fan in South Africa. So no matter the result, they must come to the people. So I want to say, Coach Nabi, welcome to the team. Those who have said Coach Nabi is not coming back, they must go to hell. Nabi is back at Kaizer. He's the coach of Kaizer Chiefs. Understand? So I was happy with the play of Kaizer Chiefs. Today we deserve a win. A 3 point, we should have taken 3 points yet. Sundowns is dead. Sundowns. There is no Sundowns yet. Like I said, Sundowns is a dead elephant. It's a dead elephant. All the players, they are tired. So Kaizer Chiefs, the way you are playing there, keep on playing like that. Work hard. The good things are still going to come on our team. And I want to welcome all the support of Kaizer Chiefs who went to support Sundowns, Orlando Pirates. Now they are back now. Now we are full now. So the glory days are back at Kaizer Chiefs. So the next game we are going to play against Golden Arrows. We are going to take 3 points. 3 points is what we need in Durban. So after 3 points, we are going to be on 13 points on top of the log. The team that won Kaizer Chiefs, they must come on top. So I was happy with Munyani, happy with Marco, all the players, they played well. And I was happy with the supporters. Today we didn't boo any player, we didn't injure any player. So Makosi, Asimo Benigajalo, this is our team. We must die with our team. In bad, in worse, we love Kaizer Chiefs forever. Thank you, Tom.
For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.ngobo2010sharpeye.com.